Alright, so we are back, and we are back after a long time. We'll tell you why we didn't post for such a long time. So we're gonna install a lift kit right now on this brand new Thar. The lift kit is by Dr. Nano. We're gonna measure the height, the before lifting height, and then we're gonna do a lifted height. Then this Thar is also gonna get interiors done. So part 1 is gonna be the lift, part 2 is gonna be the interiors and the complete vehicle.
38.5 सेंटीमीटर है। ये मैं अपने लिए लिख रहा हूँ खाली, क्या है क्या प्रोसीजर, कैसे कैसे करना है स्टेप वाइज।
So as of now we have removed the interiors and we're just going to lift it up and start with the lift kit.
गाड़ी थोड़ी डाउन है, इसको उठाना है।
Alright, the rear is now lifted. Alright, time to do the front one. Alright, so the lift is now complete. We're going to take the vehicle out for its first test and let the lift settle in. Testing was done for this part, which was fitting the lift kit suspension. Second part is gonna come in next week, and that's gonna be about the interiors. Here's how the interior looks like.